Hello guys, this is Rahul, the technology trainer from JSpiders Dilsukhnagar branch. So today one of our candidate got placed in a company, so let's know about him.
So, hello everyone, my name is and I am from Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology. I live in Hyderabad itself, and I joined Qspiders in the month of November 2024 as an incubation student.
Okay, so how was your interview experience?
So my interview experience was like it was 3 days interviews. They conducted in 3 different days, and there were in total 4 rounds. First round was a general aptitude and coding round, a written test, and second round was a technical interview. And in that face-to-face coding questions were asked and few technical questions. And third round was manager round. In that also they tested few coding skill and also technical questions. And the final round was HR round. So this was my interview.
Okay, so how was your experience in this Qspiders?
So my experience in Qspiders was like I have taken a Python full stack course while joining, and in Qspiders, Rahul sir, Monty sir, Krishna sir, and Harsha sir explained me all the concepts of Python, SQL as well as web technologies very clearly, and especially Python and Python programming sessions and these mock tests and mock interviews etc. helped me and groomed me for this interview and helped me in cracking this interview.
Yeah, that's glad to hear. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Hello guys, this is Rahul, the technology trainer from JSpiders Dilsukhnagar branch. So today one of our candidate got placed in a company, so let's know about him.
So hello everyone, my name is and I am from Bharat Institute of